हेलो गाइस, नमस्ते एवरीवन। आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत है स्टेनो सक्सेस मंत्रा पर। मैं आज आपके लिए पार्ट 2 फ्रेजेस का दोबारा लेकर आया हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों के कमेंट्स आए थे मेरे पास। तो मैं इसके रिगार्डिंग पार्ट्स 2 लेकर आया हूँ, तो आप रेडी हो जाइए। प्लीज़ लिखिए। इट वुड बी नेसेसरी, इट इज़ देयर फॉर नेसेसरी, विल बी नेसेसरी, डीम्स नेसेसरी, to the fact that the of the fact that the and the fact that the due to the fact that the from the fact that the in view of the fact that the in spite of the fact that the despite the fact that because of the fact that the could have been, which have been, which had been, which had not, which do not, which have been, who have been. You are aware that the I am told that the whether there is, where there is, that is to say, from the beginning, in the beginning, at the beginning, we will be able to. What about the so far as the, in so far as the is concerned, are concerned, were concerned, come to the conclusion, came to the conclusion, come, comes to the conclusion, for the purpose of, for purpose, purposes of, for that purpose, for this purpose, can be done. I am afraid too much, so much, as to how many, how far, as to how far, as to why, as to what, as to when, as to whether, as to where. I can have, must not be, in a manner, in the manner, in the manner in which, in such a manner, report of the, part of the, on the part of the. I would like to say that the, I would submit, I would suggest, I would request, I beg to submit, I beg to suggest, I beg to request, I would like to submit, I would like to suggest, I would like to request, I should like, I should like to request, I should like to say that the, we should like, we should have been, फुल स्टॉप। गाइस, ये 50 प्लस आपकी फ्रेजेस हैं, इसकी आप रिवीजन कीजिए। इस रिवीजन के द्वारा आपका जो शॉर्ट हैंड इंक्रीज़ है वो डे बाय डे इंक्रीज़ होगा। इनकी बार बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए गाइस। मैं आपको एक ही सजेशन देता हूँ बार बार, ये जो फ्रेजेस हैं ये बार बार एग्जामों में रिपीट होती हैं। चाहे आप कैलाश चंद्रा की मैगजीन को देखिएगा, चाहे आप कोई भी लीगल मैगजीन देखिएगा, इन फ्रेजेस का बार बार रिपीट होना अति आवश्यक है। और ये फ्रेज़ आपके हाथ पे टिप्स पे होगी तो आप तुरंत बिना देर किए फटाफट लिखने लगेंगे और आपको बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट महसूस फील होगा। प्लीज़ ट्राई इट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।